This is a video review of the Neewer 56-inch portable tripod. I need a good tripod for my phone, a good one. I do have a Manfrotto tripod, but I think it was bought 25 years ago, and it weighs a ton. I need something easy I can carry around with me. And this one here fits the bill, and it's very, very affordable. So let's take a look at the features. Another one of the features is a 3-way swivel head. Take up the latch in here, tighten it up, place, push it off, down, level. So all in all, it's a very good tripod for the money. Like I said, links in the description below for Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. See what they're selling for in your location. Also comes with a case, a carrying case, and there's a handle built in to the tripod as well for carrying it. For what you get and the quality of the product, you cannot go wrong with this tripod. In my opinion, it's a must-have for any photographer. Just pack it up, it comes in a nice carrying bag. And I really like this tripod. I'm happy with it. Build quality for the price is actually very, very good quality. Really surprised. Like I said, links in the description below the video. You want to price it on Amazon.com or Amazon.ca. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.